National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County in western Arkansas, northeastern Logan County in western Arkansas, southeastern Newton County in north central Arkansas, Pope County in central Arkansas, southwestern Searcy County in north central Arkansas, north central Yell County in central Arkansas, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from near Rosetta to 3 miles northwest of Clarksville to 3 miles south of Toccolan to near Cope Lake, and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Bed Gap, Russellville, Lake Dardanelle, Clarksville, Woodland, Woods Spring, Toccolan, Carroll, Spadra, Solo, Smyrna, Scranton, Rosetta, Pottsville, Piney Bar Recreation Area, Moore, Mineral Springs Recreation Area, Ludwig Lake. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 50 and 92. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Monday evening for Arkansas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Arkansas: Johnson, Logan, Newton, Pope, Searcy, and Yell. The National Weather